Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Daisy. If you like to create beautiful and stylish home decor without breaking the bank, this tutorial is for you. Today we're going to make a simple but beautiful book stack using hardcover books from the Dollar Tree store, a few pieces of ribbons and jute rope, spray paint, and a hot glue gun, permanent vinyl, and transfer tape if you wish to personalize them. I like to get the thickest ones they have, so I have a lot of room for customizing. Let's remove the paper cover and start painting. I am using matte spray paint, but you may also use acrylic paint and paint the book with a brush. And let them dry completely. And to give them a little antique look, we're going to use a piece of fine sandpaper to sand on the edges of the books, just a little bit. Let's make sure we remove all the dust so we can start placing the vinyl. We're going to create a design in Cricut Design Space. The font that I am using is called Times New Roman. The thickness is 0.8 inches by 4 inches long. These measurements are perfect for 1 inch thick books. Now we're going to decorate using the ribbon of your choice or jute twine. And here we have the beautiful personalized Farmhouse book stack. Perfect for gift or to give your house that farmhouse style that you're looking for. If you make this one or any of my projects, I invite you to share the pictures on my Facebook page. I love to see all of your projects. I also want to invite you to visit me on my website where you can find free sewing patterns, free SVG and PNG designs, tutorials, and many more. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.